last time I was here, Dan, there was talk about this new signature coloured range coming out. And here we are in front of me today. These look stunning. Tell me a bit more about these.
Thank you. They look great, don't they? So we've got the signature modern tap now comes in 4 colours.
4, okay. So what have we got here?
Well, you've got the brushed brass finish.
Which is beautiful, I might add.
And then this is the copper finish that we can do.
So that's much warmer, isn't it, in tone?
Yeah, they look great together, don't they? But
they really do, and it depends on your finish in your kitchen. If you're going for a kitchen, you know, with you know, gold handles on your cabinets and gold lighting, this would set that off amazingly. And likewise, if you've gone for the copper finish in your kitchen, this also would look amazing. And it's adding to the whole design, isn't it, of your kitchen for that high-end look.
It makes the tap a focal point.
Yeah.
Which is a real feature.
Yeah.
So these colours are on trend right now.
Absolutely.
And matching all the finishing items such as your handles, you're absolutely right. People are trying to do that. And the choices we give help that to work for you.
Yeah, I think if you've got, you know, a nicely designed kitchen with all of your lighting and your handles matching, and then you put a very standard tap in the kitchen, you are bringing it down. So why not make a statement at the sink? Why not add the design to something you're using every single day and is a massive focal point within the kitchen?
Yeah, that feature tap is really a genuine thing.
Yeah.
So you've got the feature lampshade,
Yeah.
you feature handles, you can tie it all together with the tap as well.
And you said 4 colours, so what are the other 2?
We've also got black and gunmetal.
Wonderful, so we'll get to see those soon as well.
Yeah, we'll look at those later on.